Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, как у тебя дела? Домашнее задание, страница 8-9. English, Starlight 2. How are you? Homework. Page number 8-9. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you, I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 8. 8. Exercise number 1. Сыграйте в игру «Как у тебя дела?» How are you? Hello, Tina. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Как у тебя дела? Hello, Tina. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hello, Nika. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hello, Maxine. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. A cat, A cake. Cat, cake. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. Cat, fat, hat, bat, cap, black, can, hand, man, dan, and, have, and, has, pen. A. Cake, snake, lake, plane, Jane, name, plate, day. Boys and girls, repeat after me. A. Cat, fat, hat, bat, cap, black, can, hand, man, then, and, have, and, has, pen. A. Cake, snake, lake, plane, Jane, name, plate, Dave. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Раскрась картинки, используя подсказку справа. And, blue. Hat, blue. Cake, red. Cat, blue. Plane, red. Plate, red. Bat, blue. Cap, blue. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 9. 9. Exercise number 5. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. E. Milk. I. Bike. Milk. Bike. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. И. Milk. Pink. Kim. Sit. Big. Swim. Rich. Is. Sister. Kitten. Little. Listen. I. Bike. Like. Mike. Kite. Right. White. Fine. 9. Ride. Drive. 5. Ice. I. High. Repeat after me. E. Milk. Pink. Kim. Sit. Big. Swim. Rich. Is. Sister. Kitten. Little. Listen. I. Bike. Like. Mike. Kite. Right. White. Fine. 9. Ride. Drive. 5. Ice. I. High. E. I. A kitten. A white kitten. A little white kitten. I have a little white kitten. A cat. A fat cat. A fat black cat. Mark is a fat black cat. Boys and girls, do exercise number 7. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. Is, sister, 5. Bike, listen, 9. Black, hand, snake. Plate, cap, lake. Обведи лишнее слово. Is, sister, 5. Лишнее слово 5. Bike, listen, 9. Лишнее слово listen. Black, hand, snake. Лишнее слово snake. Plate, cap, lake. Лишнее слово cap. My dear friends, do exercise number 8. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. The cat is in the hat. The cat is in the hat. E-I, E-I-A. The cat is in the hat. Boys and girls, repeat after me. The cat is in the hat. The cat is in the hat. E-I, E-I-A. The cat is in the hat. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.